What you're about to witness isn't just a repair. It's a resurrection. Buried in mud and forgotten by time, a machine holds a secret. A story of decay, struggle, and an astonishing transformation about to be unveiled. Stay with us, because what happens next will redefine what you believe is possible. The heart of the beast is silent, clogged with years of neglect. A helping hand arrives, beginning the painstaking process of revival. Every wire, every connection, is a puzzle to be solved. The careful hands of a master at work. As the engine is tended to, she contemplates the long road ahead. Inside, the story is the same, a hollow shell of what once was. The intricate work continues, piece by piece. Each component is meticulously examined. A hidden network of power, waiting to be reawakened. The connections are restored, bridging the gap between past and future. The carburetor, the lungs of the engine, is carefully cleansed. Patience is the most crucial tool in this delicate operation. Slowly, order begins to emerge from the chaos. A glimmer of hope appears in her eyes. The machine feels different now. Every surface tells a story of a life lived. The first step in this incredible journey, uncovering what lies beneath. Inside, the restoration begins, one careful wipe at a time. The worn interior holds memories of countless journeys. She assesses the heart of the challenge ahead. A moment of preparation before the real work begins. Another soul, another machine, trapped by the wilderness. The earth itself holds it captive. Freedom, the journey back to civilization begins. Years of grime are washed away, revealing the scars beneath. Beneath the dirt, rust tells a tale of time and decay. A blank slate emerges, ready for a new beginning. Now, the transformation moves to the interior. Painstakingly, she erases the evidence of its abandonment. A final inspection of the exterior, now clean but still weathered. The machine needs fuel, a lifeblood for the journey to come. With the body clean, the focus returns to its mechanical soul. A deep dive into the engine's complexities. The deconstruction begins, a necessary step for rebirth. Every part is a clue to its past failures. She continues her mechanical surgery with precision. The engine's secrets are laid bare, covered in the oil of ages. Each spark plug, a potential point of failure, is methodically cleansed. A single, clean component offers a glimpse of the final vision. The cylinder head is exposed, revealing the engine's core. The entire engine bay is a testament to time's unforgiving nature. The valve cover is carefully lifted away. The lifelines to the spark plugs are gently disconnected. A quiet moment of contemplation before the next step. A specific target is identified for removal and repair. The throttle body is extracted for intensive care. Disassembled, its individual parts reveal the extent of the grind. The cleaning process is tedious but essential. The reassembly begins, a symphony of cleaned metal. Precision tools are needed for the most stubborn parts. Fresh lubricant is applied, ensuring smooth operation. The restored component is returned to its home in the engine. Carefully, it's seated back into place. The final bolts are tightened, securing the repaired heart. The electrical connections are re-established. A final check, the engine is whole again, waiting for the spark of life. The work is never truly done. Another engine awaits its savior. Sometimes, all it needs is a simple, steady hand. With a confident smile, she embraces the next challenge. The entire community relies on these aging machines. From the smallest tractor to the largest truck, each needs care. She dives into the underbelly of a massive truck, breathing life back into a tired wheel. Draining the old, making way for the new. Sparks fly as she grinds away the rust and decay. Sometimes, brute force is part of the delicate process. The rear differential is carefully dismantled. She works with an artist's focus, assembling complex machinery. Layer by layer, the assembly is taken apart. Each piece is inspected with a trained eye. The reconstruction begins, a puzzle of gears and bearings. Tower tools make quick work of securing the restored parts. Her hands move with confidence and experience. The final pieces of the axle assembly are put into place. A final clean, a mark of pride in a job well done. One last, thorough inspection ensures its roadworthiness. The focus shifts to the transmission system. Heavy, grease-covered gears are lifted out. Each component is submerged, washed clean of its past life. A small brush meticulously cleans every groove. The transformation from grimy to gleaming is astonishing. Her hands, though stained, work with incredible care. Even the teeth of the gears are polished to perfection. A new bearing is pressed into place, a vital upgrade. The small, crucial pieces are installed first. Fresh grease is applied, a promise of smooth performance. The larger gears are now ready to be reunited. The complex assembly starts to take shape once more. A hammer's tap ensures a perfect fit. The entire transmission is rebuilt from the ground up. The final bolts are secured with power and precision. Each part fits perfectly into the restored hole. She inspects the movement, ensuring everything is aligned. The housing is reattached to the main assembly. a complex piece of machinery brought back from the brink. Next, a critical system, the brakes. Underneath the vehicle, the hard work is often hidden from view. She navigates the cramped, dark spaces with ease. Every bolt requires strength and determination. A perfect seal is applied, crucial for safety and performance. A new wheel bearing is carefully installed. The work is dirty, but the results are essential. She organizes her tools, preparing for the next phase. A new project, a car reclaimed by the forest. The first task is to clear out nature's debris. The engine bay is a chaotic mess of leaves and broken parts. The slow process of disassembly reveals the true extent of the damage. Each part is removed with care. Decades of decay are scraped away. An inspection of the core structure. Searching for any salvageable parts. The foundational components are checked for integrity. New fluids are introduced, a vital sign of returning life. The fragile electrical system is inspected for faults. A delicate repair on a vital connection. The work is completed, a silent victory in the woods. This forgotten relic is more than just rusted metal, it's a canvas. The deconstruction begins, saving what can be saved. The interior is stripped bare, removing all traces of its past. The forest floor is cleared from the car's interior. Every small piece is carefully removed. The trunk is emptied of years of accumulated nature. She works tirelessly, driven by a vision. The trunk, now clean, awaits its new purpose. Attention turns to the silent, dormant engine. The final cleaning is complete, a truly blank slate. The salvaged body panels are prepared for their transformation. Even the old seats are given a new lease on life. A vibrant new color is chosen, symbolizing rebirth. The first coat of paint is applied, a stunning transformation. The car's new identity begins to emerge. Each panel receives the same meticulous attention. The wheels are painted to match, a finishing touch. The reassembly begins, bringing the vision to life. From ruin to radiance, the change is breathtaking. The final product, a testament to skill, patience, and passion. Another project, another story of revival begins. The familiar process of assessment and careful disassembly. The heavy doors are removed, stripping the car to its core. She carries the old parts away, making room for the new. Removing the weathered plastic trim. One by one, the panels are taken off. The heavy components require strength and balance. Attention to the smallest details inside the door. working on the front end, the face of the vehicle, reaching the hard-to-access parts underneath, uncovering hidden mechanisms beneath the seats, gently prying away the last of the exterior trim. Finally, the rear seats are lifted out, completing the strip down. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel TrueNGA for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.